Hey, it's Brandon from Lakeside Survival. I'm pretty excited because just the other day I got my order in the mail. I ordered an Emberlit flint and steel striker. It also works as a ferrocerium rod scraper. Nice sharp 90-degree edges, and it can be worn like a necklace, or in my case, I'm going to put it in my Altoids flint and steel can. I might make another one for it because it's awesome. Now, as a child, I was always obsessed with dinosaurs, and sure enough, they have a dinosaur, the T-Rex flint and steel striker. I mean, one of my favorite movies, hand on the Bible, is Jurassic Park. And I'm really excited to get this. So let's give it a little spark test, see what it can do as compared to my 18th century hand forged style flint and steel. So I have high hopes. We'll see how this goes. Maybe start without chipping stuff. Oh man, I don't know if you guys can see it, but I'm getting some spark going. I'm liking it so far. Oh man, and I'm not even hitting that hard. I'm trying to like straddle around, like hugging around the tripod here. Not even getting really that great of strikes in there, and I'm producing spark, which really makes me happy there. Here, let's see if I can get around on this side and do a little better job for the sake of the video. Maybe. Here, might not be able to see the spark, but you'll be able to see a fire if I light one. Let's get our stuff together. Let's throw some spark and we'll light into this thing. Almost had an ignition. There we go. There she is. And then I have a little bit of a bird's nest, a rough one made out of some jute twine. So let's put it in here and there we go. Check her out. Now that right there is a beautiful flint and steel. I love this. Let's throw that into the fire pit there. Man, I'm liking this dude, man. I'm liking this dude. It was 20 bucks, which I'd pay 40 for this. This thing's amazing. I love it. It's character. It has character, and it's incredibly effective for what it is. Incredibly effective. So I'm liking it. I'm liking it. In fact, I'm pretty sure it's going to replace my 18th century style hand forged flint and steel. I got that for 15 bucks, or 10 or 15, something like that. And this was 20. And if you compare the two, I was kind of worried once I got it because I didn't realize the size of it. But it is actually really thin. And you see my finger there. And then here's it compared to the 18th century style one. So in my head I was thinking, uh-oh, this is the first serious time I've tried it out, I was thinking this has larger surface area, so there'd be more chances of throwing sparks. But it seems like this is more of a scraping on one concentrated place, so I get more sparks out of it. So it's pretty cool. Pretty cool. Really loving it. Really happy to have it now. Alright, that's all I had to say. I wanted to show you guys my new piece of gear that I just got.